Welcome back to Vital Creations. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix Facebook dating if it's not showing up. Let's get right into it. First is to check if you're eligible. You must be 18 years old or older. Your Facebook account must be at least 30 days old and in good standing. If you deleted a dating profile, wait 7 days before making a new one. Make sure Facebook dating is available in your country. 2 is to find Facebook dating in the app. Tap menu button, bottom right corner, go to the shortcuts and go on See More. Look for dating. If it's there, tap it and start setting it up. Third, add Facebook dating to the navigation bar. Tap the gear icon, which is the settings, go to the preferences and navigation bar. Use the search bar to find dating. If it's hidden, tap pin to add it to your navigation bar. Step 4 is to reinstall the application. If nothing's worked, try reinstalling Facebook. Android, uninstall and reinstall from the Play Store. From the iPhone, go to the settings, go to General, iPhone Storage, and Facebook. Tap Offload Application and reinstall the app. Done. Open your Facebook again and check if dating is there. Thank you for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe and I'll see you into the next one.